Hi everyone and welcome to this new video about our latest feature, person-specific automation. With it, you can now choose to upload a photo of a person to store them permanently. So even if they walk out or come back in again, or even they come back tomorrow, the system will store them permanently because you stored their full body characteristics and now also their face. You can also now trigger person-specific actions when that person is recognized on stage to enable your productions to be automated to the next level. To enable this feature, you can head to the People section on our interface, and you can click Add a Person and upload a photo. And I will select here a photo from our Files folder. I will also attach a name to it. And you see currently I'm ID 75, but as soon as I attach a name to it, on my skeleton you will see I'm now recognized as Victor. Now in this video we'll show you 3 different ways you can use this feature to automate your productions to the next level. Alright, now we will show you a very simple use case, which is triggering different tracking settings depending on who walks into stage. We have created 2 different zones, one for me, one for Beatrice, who will join us later. And for my zone, I will demonstrate what happens if I want to trigger a fast tracking staff or a fast presenter. And when she walks into her zone, she will show you how you can trigger a slow presenter style for tracking. So you will see, I'm still recognized as Victor, and if I walk into her zone, nothing happens because the zone is meant to react only when she steps on stage. But if I walk into my zone, you will see as soon as I enter, the camera automatically starts tracking, and also a full body shot is triggered with a very tight deadband that can be specialized for a fast presenter that moves very reactively. If I walk out, now Beatrice will show you how you can trigger a slow tracking setting.
So now when I enter the stage, you can see that the system recognized me because we uploaded my picture before. So you can see here Beatrice. When I enter the zone labeled as Victor, you can see that the system does not react because it's meant to react just to his face. But now, as soon as I enter my zone, you can see that the system frames me in a closer shot, as I am the slow presenter in this take, and I have given this wider deadband, meaning that I have to walk to the edge of the rectangle for the system to react and track. So this is how you can set a very basic use case to define the presenter style depending on person-specific automation.
All right, now we want to show you the second use case, which is about using the Seervision system to trigger lower thirds in a third-party mixer. In this case, we're using vMix, and we can send API commands regarding the person that's on stage to trigger their specific lower third. As you can see, we've also created a new zone. So if I walk into this zone, not only am I automatically tracked and a specific shot is applied, but you will also see in the output feed that a specific lower third with my name has shown up. And this you can also do when you have multiple presenters walking into the same zone.
So you can see that when now I walk on stage, I'm not tracked, but as soon as I enter the zone, I start being tracked, and also a lower third with my name is automatically triggered. So this is really useful, for example, if you have several presenters and you want to personalize your productions even further.
All right, now we want to show you the third use case, which is about using Seervision's API to communicate with external devices that are connected about person-specific information. So you could use this, for example, to customize a room depending on who has walked in, or change the state of a device that has been connected. In this case, you see we have an on-air sign here that will change color or turn on depending on who walks in. So if I walk in, not only the system starts tracking me automatically and triggers a specific shot, but also the sign will turn on, and it will also switch to a red color because we have made a workflow that reacts only to red when I walk in. And if a different person walks in, and Beatrice, like in this case,
you can see that when I walk on stage, I'm recognized as Beatrice, and we set up these workflows so the system will react differently depending on who walks on stage. So as soon as I enter the zone, you can see that the on-air sign changes color. We've attached this blue and pink color to me. So this is really useful if you want to customize the environment depending on who is entering the stage and who is presenting. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to see what you will do with person-specific automation.